Welcome everyone to our latest card kit reveal and inspiration. This one is called Warmest Wishes, and it's got everything you need to get you through your winter card making. I'll start us off with the Warmest Wishes 6x8 clear stamp set, which features messages such as happy thoughts, season of love, let it snow. It also has several snow men and women that you can stamp and layer up with the winter trees. Also in this kit is a new Simon Says Stamp stencil, and this is called Scattered Snowflakes, and it's 6x6 with nice bold snowflakes. We're also including a Simon Says Stamp exclusive, and this is Glitz Glitter Gel, and it's in a nice 2.3 fluid ounce jar. It's a creamy gel with a nice glimmer to it, so it's a little bit different than our other glitter gels, where to this one just has a beautiful sheen. I've sampled this out on some scrap white cardstock so you can see how it looks when it's dry. It has that nice beautiful sheen and also a thick texture that stands up from the stencil. Also in this kit, you'll get a Simon Says Stamp Faceted Snowflakes Embossing Folder. This gives you a nice deep etch design that can be used on most cardstocks. It's really simple to use. You can cut your cardstock to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, slide it into the folder, and then you run it through your die cut machine on the suggested sandwiches for 3D embossing folders. The papers for this kit are from La La Land. They are 6x6 double-sided papers. They feature a lot of blue skies, stars, and some of the images almost look like they are metallic, but they are a flat paper, so you can stamp on those. There are some beautiful deep blue papers with plaids on the back, also stars that do look like gold on a blue front, and also stripes with that gold look on the back. Some of the colors are mixed together for lights and darks, and the plaids and coordinating cardstocks from the backside are perfect to match together. There is the gray moons and also some snowflake stripes, and the papers also feature some pinks with gold and light teal, along with some pink snowflakes on the backside. These papers are perfect for backgrounds and creating some snowy effects for your cards. This is one of my favorites. It features some silver stars, and it does look like silver, with some teal poinsettias on the backside, and then sun and moons in a stripe with that bold blue, and some lighter poinsettia prints on the backside. This is a beautiful ombre look with that blue moving into the pink, and then some blue snowflakes on the back. And finally, a mottled teal card with dark blue stars with some leafy branches on the backside which resemble stripes. Also in your kit, you'll get a pack of Hampton Art Studio G pink self-adhesive gems, and these will match really well with our dull pink envelope and cardstock. And speaking of our envelopes and cardstocks, you'll receive 2 envelopes. One is white and the other dull pink, and these do have that peel away adhesive so you don't have to lick them to stick them. You'll get 4 sheets of cardstock in this kit. We have navy blue, lavender, dull pink, and then 110-pound Nina white. And up next, I have some inspiration for you from our designers using the contents of this kit. I'll start off with Susie Plantamera's card where she used the embossing folder, stamped her snowman and tree, and then made some hillsides to hold her message at the bottom. Callie Person used the stencil with some inks and also used the embossing folder, and then put her message on a piece of vellum on top. Cindy Norberg used the printed paper and tucked some snowman into a big white snowbank with her message on top. And finally, another card from Susie Plantamera. She created a slimline card with no color watercoloring on her snowman and added some trees and her message on top. So I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our card kit, Warmest Wishes. Be sure to check out our blog posts for additional inspiration, and I do have the kit listing and stamp sets below in the description box. And as always, thanks so much for watching.